The downloaded folder includes two subfolders. Open the ATN folder. Pick the action file, the file with the ATN extension. Drag and drop the file into your Photoshop action palette. Now you can see it placed inside your action palette. Now, let's start using the action. Highlight the Starter Template action step. Hit the play button. Starter template created. At this stage, you can now place your artwork design. Well, in this case, I skipped adding the artwork just to demonstrate how the action works. Second step is to transform your 2D artwork into 3D image. Highlight Render 3D action step. Hit the play button. Please allow a moment for the action to render the scripts. For a single book mockup, this takes only a few seconds. But for multiple books like this one, it may take a bit longer. Just place your entire artwork into a single template and you are ready to go. No repeatedly copy-paste required. Render complete. That's for a 16-book set. But what if I only need 12, or 10, or just 6 books? Is that possible? Absolutely, that's what it's built for. Let's see how. We're gonna work a bit with the layers. Please note that any modifications to the layers can only be made after complete the 3D render action step. All the layers created by the action remain intact and are neatly organized and colored into group layers, one group for each book. Disable any of the layer groups to hide unwanted book units. Do this by clicking or unchecking the eye icon. You can create from 1 up to 16 book box set using this mockup. Okay, let's make it to 10 books. You can also disable the background layer to create a transparent background. Crystal clear 300 pixel per inch PPI output is our action mockup standard, which means it's good for both 3D digital product presentation and printing showcase purpose.